Hi everyone and welcome to another update on Nostria. My name is Sandra, I'm the founder and CEO of Nostria. I'll walk you through some of the updates that have happened recently in the application and the infrastructure that is behind Nostria. So one of the things I just want to mention right now is the danger zone. If any of you are crazy enough to try out Nostria already, please remember you can go here in settings, the danger zone. You can wipe everything and you get a clean slate. So one of the things I want to show here now is that it is now possible to use Nostria without actually logging in. So there's a lot less features enabled, as you see here. I can create a new account, and one of the things we refine this login dialog a little bit. So we choose a new user. You will choose your region. So let's choose Africa in this instance. I get more features enabled here, like people, media, settings. I also want to show you that release channel has been added. Everything in Nostria at the current moment should be considered preview, but for premium users, eventually we will have the stable features that will be accessible to everyone. You will have beta features, and then you will have some preview features. And yeah, as you saw, different features was enabled here. Let's go on relays. So I'm now currently connected to Africa relay that we're hosting. The discovery relay is also connected to Africa. The thing with discovery relays is that they're a little bit different. It's not really connected to your user account at all. It's connected to your device, the closest location where you are. So I can delete this, for example, and then I can go here and I can do find closest discovery relay. It will then do a latency check to the different relays and figure out, oh, the Europe one is the fastest one for you. I can choose add here. There's a small bug here in the UI, it doesn't update immediately. Here it comes in. So now I'm connected to the European discovery relay, but of course my normal relay is still in Africa. Same here, if you go on media now and go to the media servers, you will see that I'm connected to a media server in Africa. I can go here now, create a new account, this one in Europe, and you can see now I'm connected to Europe. You had a quick switch between account here in Nostria that's been there a while. I just click here, boing, I'm currently now looking at a different user account. So let me log in with the extension. The Nostria supports private key extension, remote signing, preview only. Let me unlock my account. What's going on now? Oh, here we go. Never happened before. My profile. It's listing some events and stuff here now. A lot more work has to be done to this UI right now. It supports preview for loading preview for URLs, but there's a lot more work to be done here. This following list is it's built like a prototype here, and there's a couple of things in Nostria right now where we intentionally it's loading slowly, and that's because it's doing a full discovery on each of these accounts as it's loading down here, instead of doing attempting to find 10 at a time or something like that. It just loads one on one, and that's just for debugging purposes and development at the moment. This UI here is built with something called virtual scroll bar. So as I scroll here now, like I have now almost 200 users here, but if I scroll, it doesn't load them until I actually stop scrolling, come to this region, and then it loads Mike here and Alex, as you can see here. So the user experience of this, the performance is very good in this list. And this is the concept that will be implemented in everywhere there's a long list of data. So it's the same with people here. If we go on people, it loads one-on-one accounts. One of the things I've been working on recently is populating the discovery relay. So right now it has a backup from Damus relay, copied all the relay list and kind tree follow list into the discovery relay. Also started setting up sync with purple pages, and eventually the discovery relay that we're hosting will sort of synchronize with all the most popular relays to get a unified big view of all the relay lists that exist for users out there. Articles, these are showing real articles that is on the relay. You can't click to view details just yet. That will come very soon. And then on home, I want to demonstrate that most users can get along with just one column here, but we're going to have support for multiple columns. There's going to be some filters and everything settings set here. You can drag and drop the different columns that you want to have. Yeah, so that's sort of something we're experimenting with, so users can have different type of views. Especially for power users, this will be fairly useful functionality to have. Yeah, and with that, that's now the last one that is super nice is the notification. So right now when I go notifications, I'm asked to sign a new message. That's because I'm authorizing with the notification service, authorize, and then I get a full list of the devices that I have enabled notifications for. And this could be the same physical device, it's just different browsers on the same device or different devices. So let me, this is my current device. I will delete this and unregister this device. You can actually delete from other devices. So if you have a phone, for example, and you don't want to get notifications on the phone anymore, you can actually disable this from another device. So when I do enable notification here, look down in the corner here, it should be getting a notification that the notification has been set up completely. Okay, so that's the latest on the application, and then I want to demonstrate the Nostria status. That is our dashboard tool that checks the uptime of all the different services. The things that are red here is supposed to be red. They are currently not deployed yet. But as you can see, we have the application, website, metadata service, notification, a find service, discovery relay, user relays, and media servers. Nostria Find is an application similar to njump or nostria.at. It is to look up user profiles, but the difference is that this will rely on discovery relays instead of just attempting to connect to a lot of relays, trying to find the user data. It will connect to the discovery relay, find your relay list, and then connect to your user relays to find your actual profile. So this will always then show you the latest profile that you have updated on your relays, and not just any relay that it finds. It's a small bug here right now. I'll just take its reload. It should be able to load me in here. Yeah, and this is the notification service. This hasn't been styled with a logo and everything yet, but there's some information here how to check the health status and the API for getting notification info. This is our website. Suggest everyone checking it out. There's a lot of information here already. Sort of the infrastructure of Nostria and other things. And we are still running the pre-seed funding round. There's 12 days left now. Please have a look at this information. We have the pitch deck is here. I've also recorded videos going through the presentation. And yeah, so that's it. And this is our discovery relay. So with all of that, thank you for listening, and we'll be back soon with another update. Ciao.